Well, today we're doing another Cex and Charity shop hunt. Again, another seaside location. We're in Great Yarmouth. So yeah, seafront's down there with a pier. But we're going to go into town first, check out the charity shops. First we have men cap sales. Let's go check it out. Sadly, nothing in here. Let's have a look at what I said, £20, 50p. Next up, we've got a Sense. Let's go have a look. Ooh. No. Up next, another big YMCA. This one's quite a big size. Let's go check it out. Well, sadly no games, but if you want VHS, they've got you covered. There's loads in here. Bit of England, road to France. Well, we are by the seaside. That'd be rude not to. Nice bit of fish and chips in the old Weatherspoon. Oh, lovely lunch. Now it's time for Scope Great Yarmouth. Sadly, once again, no games. Well, doing up the market one, isn't it? Well, looks like it's open in parts, but British Heart Foundation is next to go visit, so let's go inside and see what they have. A few nice charity strategy games. Well, we've made it to Cex. Let's go and have a look. That's what they've got in the window. Don't like a lot. Not a great deal. There's a Switch, a PS4, Street Fighters Collector's Edition, 225 quid. Yeah, it's not a great deal in there. are at Sue Riders. Everything £3 or less. Go check it out. One real golf PS2 game and a couple of PC games, that's about it. Oh, here we have cash generators. Got some game stuff in there, so they've probably got some inside. Let's go and have a look. So here we've got an Age UK. Next door is a St Elizabeth Hospice, and then Play, the World Game Shop. Go check it out after. I thought it'd shut down. Yeah, sadly, nothing. Again, nothing. Loads in here. Lovely stuff. Well, next up we've got the Salvation Army. I believe this is the last charity shop in Great Yarmouth. So hopefully we can get some goodies in here. Well, nothing inside the shop, just this Gears of War Ultimate Edition for £5 on the outside. Well, we couldn't come to Yarmouth without coming to the beach, could we? Look at that. I do like to be beside the seaside. Fantastic. Do like it. Right, let's get back to the games room. Or will we visit another town for some charity shops first? Who knows? You'll find out in virtually seconds. Well, as you can tell, we're back home. So we never went to any more charity shops. But we did go to Hemsby and have a bit of fun in the arcade and stuff. So yeah, it's all a bit of enjoyment. So yeah, Great Yarmouth. I do love Great Yarmouth. Had to go down the old pier. Had to take in the scenery. Had a little drive around. Went to a few little towns locally and yeah. Also managed to pick up one game. So the charity shops there. There's not as many as what I remember. There used to be a lot more. But I think a couple of them must have shut down. And CEX has moved from where it used to be. I think the old one caught fire or something. There was that game shop there. His prices were going to be whatever the going rate is. You ain't going to find any bargains up there because all this stuff just said ignore the prices on it. Take it up to the till, up to the counter, and here basically look it up and tell you what it's worth there and then. So yeah, but I did pick up one game and it's going to complete my PS3 shelf. I'm not going to be able to put any more games on there. So the last game that's going to fit on there, and it is Motorstorm Apocalypse. So yeah, this was the third game of the Motorstorms that I was missing. And yeah, it was on my list to get, so had to get it. So fantastic driving game. Oh, still got my receipt in there. But yeah, it's all nice and complete with its manual. So yeah, even come with some, whatever that is, extra bit of something. But yeah, always enjoy going to the seaside. Great Yarmouth is a great town. And yeah, what is there more to say? Other than thank you all for watching this one game. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing? If you're not new here or you are new here, why not hit that like button? Just helps these videos get a little bit of a push and get some out to more like-minded people to watch. So yeah, that just leaves me all now to say thank you all for watching. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.